Hi, my name's Gina and I'm here today to discuss with you the Budkins baby feeder and pacifier. We're going to go over a few common questions as well as the features of this great product. Today we're going to go over our first question. It's how to use the product. We'll discuss the durability, we'll discuss the multifunction, and the easy design. The first part is the handle for your baby to grip. The second key feature is the locking clip. This enables you to open your Budkins baby feeder, place food inside the silicone pouch, and lock it back securely. The third key feature is the silicone pouch. It's chemical-free, easy to use, and only allows for the tiniest of food particles and juices to pass through the Budkins feeder. The additional benefit of the Budkins baby feeder is that it's light and durable, so it's able to withstand any of the shenanigans that little hands will put it through. To use your Budkins baby feeder, simply unlock the locking clip, fill the silicone pouch full of food, and lock it back. You're ready to go. And for on the go, there's the cover cap. This will keep your food protected inside your silicone pouch. Again, this was Gina with the Budkins baby feeder and pacifier. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the information below, and thank you for watching our video.